Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both ends. On your PlayStation, enable Remote Play and make sure the console has a fixed IP or DHCP reservation. Install Chiaki on your target device now. Use the packaged installer or build from source if needed. Once done, find your PlayStation account numeric ID for pairing. This is essential because Chiaki needs that host ID to register. Also make sure your network allows local traffic, if behind NAT. Note router access for later port forwarding. Now you pair and configure networking. Launch Chiaki and add a new host using the console numeric ID, then request the pairing PIN on the PlayStation and enter it when prompted. Once paired, confirm NAT traversal works. Enable UPnP or configure port forwarding for the UDP streaming port to reduce drops. If pairing fails, import the PlayStation certificate or manually paste the account token into Chiaki settings. Make sure to test a local connection first to isolate net. Complete setup by tuning streaming quality. Choose resolution and frame rate appropriate to your network. Lower settings reduce lag. Configure controller mapping and audio output so games feel native, and enable microphone pass-through if you need chat. For headless or long-term use, create an auto-start service or startup script that launches Chiaki with the saved host profile. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to test locally first. Verify console sleep settings, firewall rules, and that the host ID and pairing token match exactly before changing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.